We all know that offshore cleaning can be challenging. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it, so put your trust in Sobo S Gold 40. You need cleaning and degreasing power that's proven to be safe at sea. Sobo S Gold 40 is a new and improved product designed for the toughest environments like offshore platforms, industrial plants, and the marine sector. Sobo S Gold 40 is a powerful, biodegradable, and internationally approved offshore rigwash and oil degreaser. It efficiently removes oil and grease contamination. The chemical runoff from Sobo S Gold 40 is suitable to be discharged into oil-water separators with low to medium foaming properties and VOC-free. It's formulated with a pH below 10.5 rather than being harshly alkaline. It breaks oil quickly to help rinse efficiently, reducing downstream headaches. It's designed to keep your operations moving. Sobo S Gold 40 can be used on equipment, machinery, and deck surfaces, or just about anywhere you face heavy oil and grease buildup, including areas near water. It even works as an industrial laundry detergent for greasy boiler suits and overalls. Sobo S Gold 40 is incredibly versatile. You can apply it by contact, dipping, immersion, or spraying. Use it neat for heavy-duty degreasing. It's quick and easy. Just apply, wait 2 to 3 minutes, and rinse with clean water. For everyday rig washing or general cleaning, Sobo S Gold 40 is amazingly cost-effective as it can be diluted down to between 4 and 6%. For the lightest applications, it can be diluted down as low as 0.5%. A little goes a long way. Sobo S Gold 40 combines exceptional cleaning power with outstanding environmental credentials. It is part of our OCNS Gold range and is registered for use offshore within the UK and Netherlands. As an OCNS Gold product, it has the lowest possible hazard quotient available. Oil Technics has been making the world a cleaner, safer place for over 40 years. We proudly manufacture in Scotland under ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 quality and environmental management systems. For more information or to get a quote, just call 0800 699 0055 or email info@oiltechnics.com. We look forward to your inquiry.